been 9 years, hasn't it? I've almost known you for more years of my life than I haven't. Some people say that absence makes the heart grow fonder. But when I think back over the last 9 years, no matter where I was, what I was doing, I always wanted to be doing things with and around you. I can say with 100% certainty that I wouldn't want the rest of my life to be any other way. You're the first thing I think about when I wake up in the morning, and the last thing I think about when I go to sleep at night. And when I dream, it's only of you. From the moment I met you, I felt a connection in my mind, my body, and my soul I had never felt before and probably won't ever feel again. I vow to have and to hold you, not only good in good times, but the bad times too. I'll protect you with my life, because the moment I met you, I knew my life belonged to you. I'll finish my vows with one of my favorite quotes. A heart can only beat so many times in one life. When I first heard that quote, it made me think and made me sad, because I realized that everything good can come to an end. But now, after meeting you, that quote means something different to me. And now when I hear that quote, all I think is that I want every single one of my heartbeats to beat for you. I love you, honey. I always will.
My dearest Ethan, today is the day that we've been talking about for the last 4 years, and today is the day that we become husband and wife. I am sitting here late at night trying to find the words to express all my love for you. From the moment that we met in high school, somehow I knew there was a special bond that we shared. You filled my life with endless fun and laughter. You introduced me to the gamer life as you became my player one in the co-op game of life. I am forever grateful to have you by my side as we enter our next chapter of our life together. Your support, kindness, and unconditional love inspires me every day. I can't wait to make some unforgettable memories with you. Today, as we celebrate the hand fasting ceremony with our friends and family, I promise to be your rock through the storms. Stand by you through thick and thin, and love you with every fiber in my heart. I am forever yours, Erica.
Erica and Ethan, I ask you to join hands as a symbol of the union that you are making here today. I'd like you to think about the hands that you are holding. These are the hands of your best friend, holding your hands on your wedding day, promising to love you and to work together as you build your future together. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need strength, tenderness when you need tenderness, and love when you need love. These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow, but also tears of joy. These are the hands that will hold all of those whom you love. These are the hands that years from now will still be searching for your hands, still seeking the love, encouragement, and support that each of you seeks from each other. With these vows, Erica and Ethan have promised to be faithful and true to each other. And we, their friends and family, have borne witness to the same, by spoken promise, by the bond of their cord, and by giving and receiving rings and pledge. They now enter into a new phase of their lives. And so, by the power invested in me by the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Make us the bride.
to